Hey guys, so welcome back. So today we're going to actually make this responsive. Now the reason why I'm gonna make it responsive is that most of the time when I see people actually build see videos of developers when they build a site, right, especially maybe on YouTube or just to flaunt it, they don't usually bother about how it looks responsibly, like on mobile, on tablets. They don't usually do that, at least for the ones I've seen. If you know, maybe some other people might have done that, but you know. Okay, so this is how it is on the mobile view. It's kind of scattered, so we are going to make it responsive. Okay, so if you're new here, like and subscribe, and let's do this. All right, so getting into it first, and I'm going to work on our navigation bar where you have the Nike and then the navigation. Okay, let's jump into it. All right, so scrolling down my code. Well, for some reason my double. Okay, let me use my mouse. Okay, I think it's okay, it works now. All right, so I might not be needing this, so I just close this, and let's make this bigger for you to see it. Although it's going to look really weird for me, but I hope you can see it. This is way too big for me to look at. Not like I have I'm short-sighted or anything, but it's just too big. I'm not used to it. Alright, so this is the navigation bar, right? We have a grid of 100, but what we want to do is that we want to give it a tablet grid as well. So we're going to say tablet grid 100. We also want to give it a mobile grid, so we're going to give it a mobile grid of 100. So this means that I want you to maintain your width of 100% when you're on a tablet view, and maintain your width of 100% when you're on mobile view. Okay, so let's take a look. Let's take a quick look. I think I'm going to actually just be breezing through, so I don't okay, so anyways, it still takes the same shape. We just started, so okay, did I even refresh? I don't know, let's see. So let's just look at it. Okay, all right, so moving on, that's the first bit. We just make it 100, and that's for navigation, and then we move on, right? So we'll move on to the next div here. So this div, this is one that houses our picture. That's a Nike picture. So we are gonna say, let me see. Okay, first of all, I want to give it, this is a grid 20, right? So what if I give it, okay, so just to let you know, I'm going to be thinking a lot on this video as I'm making it responsive. All right, so you're just going to have to watch me think about it. Okay, so first of all, let's give it a grid of 5. Let's reduce it for some reason, and or should we leave it this? Okay, let's leave it here first, and then let's see. I want to maintain the mobile view, so I'm going to say mobile grid 100, but I want to also push it as well so that I can kind of be in the middle. So I'm going to give it a mobile prefix. If I say mobile prefix 50, it means it's going to be starting from the middle. I don't want it to start from the middle. I want it to be offset to the left a bit, and then the image will now actually be in the middle. So I'm going to give it a mobile grid of mobile prefix of 45. Okay, then for tablets, I'm going to give it tablet grid 50. Just bear with me. Let's see. Tablet grid 50. Let's see how this looks. I'm not sure if I should be, looking at it all the time. It might take my time. So, okay, you see now we have the Nike in the middle, right? So that's what we want. Well, it's sort of kind of in the middle, not exactly middle though. It's a bit skewed to the right, I guess. So I need to push it to the left on mobile view. So let's see that, how we can do that. Okay, I said this mobile view prefix 45. I want to push it. So what if I say prefix 40? What does that do? Prefix 40, mobile prefix 40. Push it to the left. Okay, let's see. But if this doesn't work, we'll probably move it back. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so it's better now. I think it's more in the middle now. Okay, so let's move on, and where are we? Tablet view. Sorry, I didn't really check for the tablet view on this one, but I'm just going to go ahead and give it the tablet prefix as well, and then let's see where that ends us at with. Let's push it. So we're gonna say 45. I taught you this before when I was taking a grade. I taught you how to push, I taught you how to pull. So if you don't remember, please check that out. Okay. Alright, so let's look at the tablet view. Ooh, scattered. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's fine like this now. Well, tablet view is scattered. So why is it scattered on tablet view? Okay, it's okay like this, right? This is tablet view. I didn't know this is mobile view. This is tablet. I think this is a tablet view. Hold on. Okay, so this is a tablet view. Is it? Let me just one way to confirm which is tablet and which is mobile. So let's just inspect the element and then just go to what's the tab here? Tab iPad Air is a tablet. So okay, so the tablet view that is scattered. All right, so we're gonna check that and see why it is scattered. Or should I just actually work on the mobile view first, then work on tablet view, or work on tablet view first, and then work on mobile view, or just do all of them at the same time? All right, but let's see. So let's see where we now. I think okay, I'll take it in sessions so that the video is not too long. Okay. All right, so we haven't actually worked on that grid that is that's getting scattered. I think this is fine. I think this is fine. So let's work on the navigation, the actual navigation now. So I'm going to give it a prefix of 25. Then that's for the what's it called now? This for the oh my god, for the laptop view, right? The full screen desktop view. All right. So mobile, I'm going to make it 100. The reason I want to make it 100 is that I want it to take 100% width and not jump to the top like it did like you were saying before. So tablet, I'm going to make it I think we should push it again up. Yeah. We should definitely push it again. Well, let's push it again by 5. So we're going to push from the left. Push it so it's kind of centered in the middle a bit. Sorry, I missed this. So tablet grade 75. Now the reason why we're giving it 75 is that I want it to kind of sort of be in the middle. So I'm going to use 75, and then that other 5 would make it complete 80. So we might probably have what's it called? This stuff in the middle. Have spaces on either side. Then mobile, I'm gonna say grades. Did I know? Okay, no. Am I making a mobile? Okay, let's see, sure, what I want to do. I think I'll stop at the maybe 7 minutes. So let this move for 7 minutes. So maybe some minutes, just not too long. I'll stop there and okay. Okay, now it's really scattered. It's really scattered. What am I doing wrong here? Let me see. So this is fine. Tablet prefix. Why am I prefixing even? Why am I prefixing this? Let's not prefix this. And let's see. This mobile 100, tablet 75, push. This tablet, am I pushing? Yeah, I'm pushing it. Okay. Let's see. This should theoretically be fine because of this 100, and then tablet with 45. Let's see. Okay, so this is fine. Okay, so this is kind of fine. It's still in the middle. Okay, this is when it becomes mobile. right? So we might just decide to hide some features when it's in the mobile view. We do it all the time when we design. Maybe there's some things we don't want people with mobile access to be able to look at, so we might want to hide that. All right, so moving on, I think this is kind of fine, but yeah, I feel that this is a bit too long, right? So it's maybe competing for space here. So let's see. Maybe I might decide to, on tablet view, I might decide to make it 100, and let's see how it goes. So you say 80. I'll say 80 and then push it 75. Let's see. I'm still waiting for it to load. Still loading. Internet. Okay, so this one here is just stuck on his own world or something. So I might need to make it jump to the bottom. Okay, I might need to make it jump to the bottom, or I just hide it entirely. All right. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to make it 100. I'm going to make it 100, and yeah, we'll go from there. So I might not really need to push it. Let's just increase it. Let's make it 90. All right, so this is 90 on tablet view. Then this one right here, this is where I've been having that issue. So I want to make this one have its own space, so I can say mobile grid 100. I can just give it mobile grid 100 and then tablet grid 100, right? So this way it's on its own space, this is on its own thing, rather doing its own thing. Okay, so I'm now going to have to center it a little bit, right? Which I can use normal CSS to do that, but since we're using UNSEMANTIC, or we're teaching on semantics, I might as well just, okay. It's a bit off-centered, it's not in the middle. I actually want it to be in the middle. You see the way this Nike is in the middle, right? I want it to be in the middle like that. So that's what we are gonna do, right? So I'm gonna push this one. This is mobile view, and then I just give it 100. So it's not really in the middle if I do that. So why don't I say 80, right? Oh no, let's say 90. Well, let's just say 80. Then I'm going to give it a prefix and say mobile prefix of 10. So this should complete the 90. Then this, instead of pushing it, well, okay, let's push it. No, let's not push it. Let's prefix it. Prefix 5, and then let's see. So we're just going to try and make them be in the middle. Okay, so let's see. Okay, this is fine, but it's not exactly in the middle as I would want it. So I think I still need to push it a bit more. But shouldn't there be a class for this? I think there might be a class for this. I don't know. Let me see if UNSEMANTIC has a class for this. You just center it. Okay, so the class to kind of sort of center is grid container, but it doesn't really work well when you are trying to do mobile or tablet view. So what we're gonna do is we are actually going to be pushing it, right? So we're gonna push it by, so let's do something now. I'm gonna say mobile, I'm gonna push it by 30. So I'm going to push it by 30 for the mobile, and then I'm going to do the same for the tablet view, and we see what we come up with right here. I'm sorry, crap. tablet view 30. Okay, so let's see how that is. Okay, so you see it somewhat moves, but I think I moved it too much, so I'm going to make it 15, and then let's see. The idea now is to get it in the middle of it. Okay, so I'm going to use this, and then let's have it smack in the middle. So we're going to reduce that by 2, and okay, so you see it's kind of in the middle now for the tablet view, and let's see how it is. Okay, for the mobile view it's a bit skewed to, I think there's probably something down here. We'll work on that when we get down there. So for the mobile view there's actually something pushing that way. So what we are going to do is remove it a bit. Let me see. Look at. Okay, this is for the mobile view. Alright, so here's what we're gonna do. Mobile view, I'm going to say so we're just gonna go with 80. I'm gonna go 80, and then tablet view. I think the tablet view is actually fine, but we're just gonna go 80 as well. And let's quickly wrap this up. I'm gonna remove this grid container, we don't need it anymore. So let's hope we quickly wrap this up. Okay, looks much better. Okay, actually looks much better. And you see how space over here, but it looks much better in my opinion. Okay, so I think it depends on the phone you're using, right? So I'm just going to pause right now and actually explain something to you, right? So we had a template or a design that we wanted to do, right? That design was obviously a desktop or full laptop screen size that it was designed for, right? So ideally, if you want to build something like this and you're going to make it responsive, right, this is where user interface and user experience design comes in, right? So already you should know that you should have something like a let's say something like a burger element, a burger box here, either here or whichever way you want to do it. So when you click on it, it slides out or drops down or something and shows you the rest of the navigation bar. Or you can have something here that when you hover on it, it drops down and gives you the rest of the element. But I actually don't want to go into that. I just want to use this design as it is and try and optimize it the way it is, right? You can check out my other videos on Alpine where I showed you how to do drop down navigations, where I showed you how to do hover effects. So I've actually covered how to do all of this there, so you can check that one out. But I'm going to use this templates or this design to actually make it responsive as much as we can. So that is the purpose of this video right now. Okay, so let's get into it. So this still looks like it's shifting a bit, right? So it still looks like it's shifting, right? So ideally now what we want to do, or what we can do right here right now, is to say so I'm just looking at, oh my god, it's almost 20 minutes. Okay, you know what, I'm gonna stop here and then we'll continue from the next step. But what we want to do is that, since we don't want to use any hover or hide anything or use any of those cool effects, what we're gonna do, or what we can do, is to say I don't want my mobile views or my people that use desktops, sorry, not desktops, people that use tablets or mobile phones, I don't want them to see this custom navigation like customize navigation. I don't want them to be able to customize. I want you to be able to customize when you are using your computer, that is your desktop or your laptop, right? I don't even want kids to look at it, right? So there's a way we can obviously do that. So I'll just quickly do that for you, and then we call it a day, and we'll go into something else in the next video. Okay, all right. So where do I put my class now? Okay, so let me put my class here. So I can easily have a class, and then I can say hide on mobile, and then I can also say hide on tablet. So what this does now, to hide it on mobile and tablet view, and then you will not be able to see it, right? Okay, good stuff. So you see now it's gone and it's in the middle and it looks good, right? I didn't remove these kids, I just left it for some reason, right? So when it goes back to your desktop view, you can see it back there, the customize is there. So then I've removed it for all this, right? So that's it. Stay tuned to the next one. Love you. Bye bye. See you next time. Abinola. Bye.